Qatt ma esperjenzajt pajjiż bħal Malta f'ħajti kollha. Għandi tfal Maltin, inħobb lil pajjiż imma fejn tidħol korruzzjoni inkredibbli. Kollox kien tajjeb sa sen ilu, imma f'daqqa waħda inbidel kollox. Kliem Scott Dixon, il-boxer Skoċċiż li ilu snin jgħix Malta b'reazzjoni għal każ li seħħ nhar il-ġimgħa li għadda fejn numru ta' ġlidiet tal-boxing boxers internazzjonali li kellhom isiru fuq il-fossos tal-Furjana tħassru sija qabel il-bidu. Kawża ta' dan l-organizzaturi qalu li tilfu bejn 10,000 u 20,000 euro fi spejjeż anke minħabba li l-boxers kienu ilhom Malta għal 3 xhur. Għal din l-attività kienu nqataw madwar 1500 biljett. Dixon ilu għal snin twal jieħu sehem f'dawn it-tip ta' ġlidiet madwar il-pajjiż, imma din id-darba nbidel xi ħaġa minkejja li l-organizzatur Ebner Rabela għalli kellu l-permessi kollha mitluba mill-pulizija kif ukoll polza tal-assigurazzjoni.
Jgħidulek għamel hekk, nagħmel dik il-ħaġa li jgħiduli pereżempju qalu li ma jistax ikun hemm alkoħol. Ċaċċettajt li nagħmlu bla alkoħol xejn, għal xejn mbagħad qalu li għax ħanġibuh jisu street fight. Fil-verità ma kienx xejn huwa sports minflok qed nitkellmu bħal futbol qed nitkellmu boxing. U kellna ambulanza referi. Ma rridunix sempliċement jaħatta li ma rridunix nagħmluh.
Permits in her hand, we done everything that the police superintendent from Valletta, everything she required, we gave her. Then 1 hour before the show, she phoned us up, she phoned Abner up and told him he must return the police permit or he will be arrested. I mean, that's unbelievable. I've never experienced this in any country, especially in countries that's in the European Union.
Dixon għalilna li huma ttellaw f'karozza tal-pulizija u ttieħdu minn quddiem madwar 600 persuna fi kliemhom daqs li kieku kriminali bi skorta lejn djarhom biex il-pulizija jieħdu l-kopja tal-permess li żammew.
I know why they wanted the permit back, basically because they can cover themselves, if you like. Obviously, but we're not silly, we took a copy because we have the right as civilians to take that copy. So we took a copy, so we still have evidence. She thought the permit was in my house, it must be in your house, go and get the permit. All along, the permit was on her desk where the receipt had been taken away, but not knowing that we'd already made copies anyway. So we could justify that we were in order.
Skont l-organizzaturi x'kien il-pulizija marru fil-post biex waqfu l-attività huma ntalbu jdawru l-post b'xibka ħadra biex ma jidhirx ir-ring. Wara staqsew ukoll l-Ebner biex jipprovdi l-kondotti tal-boxers. Ħaġa li Scott jara bħala assurda għax uġġieled f'diversi attivitajiet fl-aħħar ġimgħat u skont hu m'għandu l-ebda problema mal-Malta Boxing Association.
I am currently on a charge. It's an allegation. I've not been charged with anything. It's a case of malafama. My lawyers are in touch. It's absolutely ridiculous. And I need help now from the government. This is a Dom Mintoff all over again. It's like being back in 1979.
Scott Dixon jispjegalna li minn barra l-flus, din is-sitwazzjoni ħallet impatt kbir ħafna fuq ir-reputazzjoni tiegħu tant li qed jikkonsidra li jirtira.
A personal vendetta, it's malafama. That's exactly what it is against me. I have an allegation here, and whoever is against me is trying to do their best to stop every avenue that I open.
Dixon qal li qed jikkunsidra wkoll biex ifittex għad-danni lill-pulizija.
And I know they're going to give me a lot of police problems now, once this story's done. I know that, but relevant to that, I've got to stand for what is right.
Matthew Mamo għal Net News.